Hi, welcome to Remi cooking adventure with cicada taco. So today we're doing a specialty item, cicadas, which come every 17 years, source of protein, are sustainable. I've collected about 2 pounds immediately after they molted and came out of the ground last week and froze them immediately. I will be taking some of them out, rinsing them, cooking them, preparing taco shells with a lot of nifty ingredients. It's good stuff, sour cream, cilantro, you name it. And we're going to have a little bit of a taste test. So I hope you really like it. And it will be on YouTube for everybody to watch later. So off to the kitchen.
There's where the cooking will take place. Right over there. I'm just getting prepped up. And preparation is the big thing. Okay, here are the still frozen cicadas from the freezer downstairs. Anyway, these were all collected by me in our yard early in the morning. Some of them had not even emerged totally from the grub, and they're white. They change color immediately. You know, by the end of the day, you know, they've totally got a different look. They're brown, then they start flying around. Okay, iced. The still frozen cicadas, I'm going to be keeping them fresh in the fridge with the ice. Then we'll be washing them, and then the big event, cooking them. And the big event is enjoying a few 3 or 4 cicada tacos. Okay, I've prepared ingredients, and I'll go over these right now. Okay, we've got grated white cheddar cheese, cilantro, chopped lettuce, romaine lettuce, the avocado, fresh lime, serrano chilies diced up, which will be mixed in with the cicadas as I saute them, and chopped white onion, and there's a big white onion, organic cherry tomatoes, which I will also add as we saute up the cicadas. We have some organic sour cream here. We have a little squash that I'll be adding. And we have Spectrum canola oil, which will be heating up the tortillas and also preparing, sauteing the cicadas. And of course, here are the tortillas, and we have a few rice spices here. We've got chili powder, cumin, Southwest seasoning. I will vary and play it by ear. The cumin is a must. So what's happening now is we have to prepare the tortillas. They get put in some oil in here that's been heating now for a little while, and then get drained over on this napkin, but we have to keep them warm. This plate is warm. Over here I've got refried beans warmed up for the meal later. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Turn it up a little bit. The tortillas should start to bubble a little bit, and the oil will keep them soft. Otherwise, they do this. Okay, we're cooking. It's bubbling. Super. Now we have the cicadas. You can see them right here. They've been in ice and in the fridge. They need a little bit of a wash. Okay, I'm gonna let those drain a little bit. Okay, adding a little more A little oil in here. Okay. And we are going to saute the cicadas for about 10 minutes. Here we go. Turn that down. Let them work. Okay, they're cooking. Just been about 2 minutes. See them in here? Should be enough for 3 or 4 tacos. Okay, now these are going to go in this bowl here, and then I will be cutting them up into chunks. Okay, at this point, you take the sauteed cicadas and cut them up a little bit. Ooh, that one's empty. Okay. That one's empty. They've got a bit of a shell on them. Ooh, the big one. At this point, we re-saute them, add tomatoes, chilies, which I've already prepared. Get those going right now. Okay. Tomatoes. The serrano chilies. Oh, let's see. Oh, down. Okay, let's them up. Onions. And cicadas. To add a little bit of cumin. Some salt, pepper, a little bit of Southwest seasoning, boy, does this smell good. Okay, another few minutes. And we're ready to build our tacos. Now we have the 4 tacos on the plate, tortillas, and we have here the cicadas. Okay, and one, two. Ooh, this is hot stuff. Do our rice, our refried beans, which are delicious and hot. Okay, so what are we going to do first? I think we're going to add, let's see. Oh, there's tomatoes. Put some tomatoes in this one. Some more onions. Have more crunch. Okay. Then a little lettuce. Some great cheddar cheese. Okay. Squirt of lime. Okay. And then some cilantro. If you want to shut your video off, now is a good time. I'm going to put a piece of avocado on each one. Okay, so okay, and here we go. Fantastic. Darn good. In 17 years, I might try a different recipe.
Chef Remi says, bon appetit.